Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you the easy way to get this amazing free movie app to your Firestick or Android TV stick. The whole process is gonna be pretty easy and it shouldn't take you more than a couple of minutes. And now without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your Firestick device. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader to the Firestick. And you can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on the Firestick, open search bar and start typing Downloader in here. So that's what I'm doing. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. We click on it and there's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's actually not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now to set up Downloader on the Firestick, we'll go to Settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you need to do is turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, open it up, wait a moment for it to load, and there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Taiwan right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, open it up. And now we are ready to use Downloader. So open up the Downloader application for your Fire TV Stick. And now here in the search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which will be 95938 6. So once again, it's 959 386, that's the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see without making any mistakes. Then click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now the download of the app has finally started for us. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And then click install and make sure that the app gets installed to your Fire TV. And now do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now let's go back to the list of applications on your Fire TV. Here it is, we open it. And there at the bottom you will find the app which we just installed. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And now in here you get access to loads of amazing movies from all over the world, including all the new movies, which are only available in movie theaters. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.